Okay, as promised, I'm finished. It's so funny, I forgot the shrimp. I sure did. I knew it was something missing. I said, wait a minute, something. I couldn't figure out what it was. But now I know. So anyways, I made the pasta to it. I used angel hair pasta for this. And then I'm going to make some rice for Myra. I think she'll prefer rice with it. But let me show it to you, okay? Hold up. Hold up. Now, how do I get it to turn? This always happens to me. I'm trying to... Oh, here we go. This is it. All the seafood. That's the crab. Look, you got your clams, your baby clams, your shrimp, your mussels. You have your clams here. You have your veggies in there. This is a mouthful of goodness right here. You got your pasta. That is it. And you can't eat this all dainty. You just got to go for it. So you got to pick that crab up there with your hand. There's no eating crabs with a fork, as some people were trying to do. But this is it. And I plated it for once, huh? See that? And the more it sit, the better it tastes. And of course you can see that's the angel here. But the longer that sit, the better it tastes. So tomorrow this thing will be off the charts good. So I'm getting ready to eat this. Joyce, you Mahalia Jackson, you! Huh? Joyce, you tore that song apart today. It was beautiful. Huh? Nobody was expecting Mahalia. Yep, this is it. I want to send you I don't know if you can get off my Facebook, but I recorded everything today. So if you want to see it, go to my page. It's on there. I mean, you delivered that song today. It was awesome. So I was just showing this here before I get to eating it. That's just the beginning. Yeah. And I'm going to go upstairs and chill out. But I'm glad you came on here because you really served that song justice today. But anyway, that's the Seafood Creole. So let me know if you want a bowl, okay? I'm getting off here now because I'm tired and the bottom of my feet hurt. I just wanted to show the finished product. So talk to you later.